Your friend Christine?
Yeah.
She's Mari's lab partner.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah. Fun fact, yeah.
Christine! Hi.
That's what Mario said.
Yeah.
Or whatever. But he asked her about you.
Yeah.
And she was like, oh yeah, she's like my best friend from high school.
Aww.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe, you're my best friend too. Okay, bye. That's for the vlog. That's Rishi. Teresa and Samok. And we're eating best food. It's currently November, but it's so nice outside for November. Like, I'm definitely not used to this weather. And I'm really appreciative of it here. Like, yeah, some things I've learned about California. I'm just kind of vlogging to the camera. Some things I've learned about California. One, you don't call it Cali, because if you call it Cali, you're like not cool. So that's like fact. What else? People say Ocam instead of Orgo. I look kind of derpy. You want to be in my vlog? Oh, he's working. Sorry. He can't be in the vlog right now. My friend, one of my really good friends here, Rishi's on a podcast. Y'all should definitely check it out. I'll like link it down below. And it's called 1800 Miles. It's really good. And like, maybe I'll be a guest speaker on it. Like, maybe. It's on Spotify. Maybe I'll be like a guest speaker or whatever. But yeah, okay, bye. A second to realize I have all this stuff on my hand because I don't even know if you can see my face right now, but like I'm still talking to the phone camera. It's not even like a real camera. But here's my water bottle, and that's from work. And I'm like chilling. It's like nice. It's like nice. It's good vibes. Good vibes, bro. Okay, Rishi.
It's like a very like Tyler the Creator.
What are your shoes? What are your shoes?
Oh, I was gonna buy $60 shoes, but I was like, I've spent too much money, so I'm probably gonna wear my Vans.
Just some background. This is Rishi's going to a music festival called
Camp Vlogna.
What's it called?
Camp Vlogna.
Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that. So he's showing us his outfits right now, and this is what his outfit number one. Yeah. Day one. How many days is this?
2.
What?
Yeah.
You're not here Sunday?
Yeah.
Are you staying over somewhere?
No, I'm gonna come back by like midnight.
I'll
better.
Come
back by 11, honestly.
And then we're gonna hype it up on a Sunday. Just kidding, we don't do anything fun. Okay. Yeah, Rishi. Okay, show us outfit number 2.
Okay, I need help.
Oh, okay, bye. Those Gucci slides, bro. And all the other shoes that are also here.
Wait.
Okay, this is the second look too. Ready? Give me a spin or something. Give me a good look. Yes, get it.
I don't know what's going on.
Oh. I love that for you.
What are you gonna do with that strand?
You just like unattach.
Perfecto.
I like it. It's a good look. Wait, Rishi, you should get like dope Insta photos of this.
Yeah, I probably will. I might post two weeks in a row, dude.
2 weeks
Watch
in
out,
a row.
watch out. After not posting for like an entire year.
Good job. I love that for you. Wow, look at that pose. Back to Chicago in the car. We're going to Santa Monica. It's a 3-day weekend, and I'm gonna vlog it because I'm a big California vlogger girl.